car rider hit a dog. तो अब डॉगी को ऑटो में रख के हम हॉस्पिटल भेज रहे हैं। तो अब डॉगी को एनिमल हॉस्पिटल एंड सेंटर में भेज दिया गया है। ये हमारा वन ऑफ द बाइकर फ्रेंड इज डूइंग ऑल द फॉर्मेलिटीज। Because people have perception that bikers are not nice, but this is wrong, guys. Bikers are always nice. Like, all bikers are there to help that animal. So I request you, I urge you to do same always.
That guy looks like he needs some clothes, man. Let's go help this dude out real quick. Hey, how you doing? I got some stuff right here. No, I'm not the police. Oh, I'm not the police. Hey, listen, I got some shoes and I got some clothes right here. I don't know if you'd be interested in taking them. Yeah.
Bro, can I hug you? Is it okay?
We'll do a fist bump. Boom. Huh? It's all good. It's all good.
Ever since I've been on the streets, everything I got, I've been picked up off the ground. Nobody's ever given me.
Well, you know what? I came out today to help somebody, and I've had these in my house for a while, and I've been meaning to get out and give it away, you know, to somebody who needs it. And
So you got food in there that's not from the trash can? Or that sandwiches? Does you got food in there?
no, I was gonna get some too. Here, I got some shoes.
Ooh, yes.
And a thermal.
Oh my God.
And some sweatpants. And there's a pair of pants in here, a pair of shorts. You know, here, just take the whole bag. Just take the whole bag. You know. And I was gonna. It's all good. It's all good.
Okay.
You give me a hug. It's all good.
Thank you.
You know what? I hope God looks out for you. You know.
He just did.
He just did. He just did.
You got on gloves, okay? I'm not infected. Please take my hands off. God bless you.
Yeah. I'm just glad I could help you, you know? Here's a strap too, so you can strap stuff to your little cart, you know? I'll put it right here. I know it's cold. I tried to get more stuff, but I couldn't find any beanies or gloves. But you know what? Are you around here a lot?
I just got a storage at Trojan. My mom was all she could afford because I don't ask for money. I'll ask for trade. I'll clean the house. I'll do the yard.
Yeah.
You need something done?
No. No, I don't want nothing. I just want to help you. That's it.
I mean, there's something has to be done.
No, you're good. Have a good day, okay? I hope everything gets better for you.
Again, usually I'm by Holton's Road. But if you ever have food, like I come through here.
Okay.
I'll come if you
Yeah. I'll cruise by.
I need shoes if I have to.
I'll cruise by. You haven't ate today? Okay. No, I know. You have a good day, okay? Man, I gotta get the lady something to eat, man. I can't drive away like that. I can't do it. I gotta get her something to eat. Breaking my heart hearing that right there. Oh my God, dude. Jesus Christ. Hey, you know what? I couldn't just not get you some food after you told me you got a sandwich out of the trash can. So I got you some water. Here's a gallon of water right there. And then I got you some food too. Yeah, there are some apples in there, and some chicken, and some bread. I don't know if it's hot, but it's food, you know?
I don't care, it's food.
So I couldn't do that. It wouldn't be right of me not to get you something to eat too. Okay? You're welcome. Have a great night, okay?
You too, take care, sir.
Bye. I really do hope things get better for you.
You need some help?
Right here. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem. Good luck.
Your gas cap was open.
I know, thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna head over to Taco Bell, and usually there's a homeless guy that hangs out front, the sign. If he's there, I'll get him some food. That would be cool to do. Hi, can I have 2 double cheeseburgers and a small fry, please?
2 double cheeseburgers and a small fry?
Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Alright, I made it. Hey, I stopped at Burger King. I got you 2 burgers and a fry. God bless, man.
Hey, you know your back tire here is like crooked, really bad?
Yeah, I've taken it to the thing and they won't fix it, so I don't know.
Did they say what's wrong with it?
No, they didn't even mention anything.
Yeah, because that's all the rest of yours. I was looking at you, all the rest of your stuff's fine. That one's, I don't know if they tightened it too much, like on the top as opposed to the bottom, but I would take it in because that's gonna make those tires wear so bad.
Okay.
And then at a high speed, if you're going like 80 miles an hour, that could actually come loose and make you lose control.
Okay.
So just a heads up. So,
Thank you so
yep,
much.
no problem.